I would like to live in Cuenca because it is a beautiful and peaceful city. It has many parks, museums, and historic buildings. The weather, the weather is nice and the people are friendly. It is not a noisy city like some big cities. It does not have heavy traffic in every area, so life is more relaxing. I think Cuenca is a great place to live, study, and enjoy nature with my family. Córtale, córtale.